Hello, everyone, and a very good evening to all of you guys. I hope everyone is doing absolutely amazing, and I welcome all of you on this amazing platform of Unacademy JEE English. So, today, guys, as I promised, we'll be starting this amazing session on composition of functions. This is going to be our lecture number 5 on relations and functions. So as I promised, we have to obviously we will be covering this relations and functions grade 12th in detail. And as we are going ahead with this concept, guys, next concept will be of inverse. And guys, after that, we'll be obviously solving a lot of questions which have been asked in the mains and advanced. We'll be having one specifically advanced session on this particular chapter so that we have no doubt whatsoever in this chapter. Okay, guys. So before going forward, I would like to introduce myself. This is Abhinav Jha, BTech NIT Nagpur. I've got more than 4 years of teaching experience now and have mentored many top ranks in mains and advanced. Also, guys, I've got uh, All India rank of 698 in GATE, that is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Also, I hold a rank in JEE Mains and Advanced in 2012. Also, guys, all of you might be knowing about an academy subscription. This is the best thing which can be happening to a student right now in his career, because we all want a particular online session where we can obviously interact with the educator. We can have live polls, leaderboard, test series, and live doubt clearing sessions. And what else we want in our journey towards JEE? This is what we specifically want, and this is what we will be getting in the uh, an academy plus platform, where you will be getting to choose your teachers, best of the country's faculties, and everyone will be there to guide you throughout your journey. Hello, Hoodie, how are you? So, guys, it's going to be immensely uh, well compromised and well directed sessions on that particular platform of plus. So, guys, that's what you have to look at right now. And definitely, guys, when you join that, you will be having the amazing experience of. So guys, what you need to do is to simply install the app from the Play Store. Then you guys, you have to go to the ITJ section. In the plus category, you have to go there, and then guys, you have to click on get subscription. As soon as you click on get subscription, you will be getting this portal where you can use the code of AJ Live. As soon as you use the code AJ Live, guys, you can go ahead and obviously take the subscription for 1 month or 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 2 year respectively. But I would definitely suggest you 1 year or 2 year plan. It will be costing you around 34.6 and 50.4 respectively. After using the code of AJ Live, you'll be getting these amazing discounts on this portal. Also, guys, AJ Live code is the thing which you have to use over here, and then you can proceed to pay using EMI option as well. So there is an EMI option available. So please, guys, you can definitely use it, and definitely that will be very amazing. Moreover, I have the team of Unacademy JEE English is also on the Telegram. Here you can get the updates of my classes not only on this platform of YouTube, but also you will be getting the information of my classes on the Plus and on the app. Also, guys, Abhinav SC is the code which you can use to get Plus subscription as well. Moreover, guys, you all know about an Academy Compact. I hope you guys joined this thing today, and I hope you will be obviously coming up. Will be coming up with a lot of more amazing concepts, and obviously, guys, a lot of amazing tests to be won. And definitely, you can be joining over here. Hello, Arnab. Okay. So, guys, definitely this is very important. You have to first of all update the app, guys. Please update the app. Update is available. Okay, so please download the latest version from the Play Store. That will be very obviously important, and that will be very well supporting this Unacademy Combat series which we have obviously come up with. And guys, definitely do not forget to win a lot of you can win a lot of prizes over here. Definitely this is one thing which you have to look into. Moreover, guys, my course is already has now on the revision classes will be starting today, and I have told you guys today we'll be doing quadratic equations. So definitely, guys, you can obviously come up today at 7 p.m. My first lecture will start, okay, on this revision series of January 2021. Theory and practice, everything will be done on this particular platform. Hi Papi Reddy, good evening. So guys, catch me today at 7 p.m. for this amazing revision series which will be starting today, and I'll be taking the quadratic equations. Also, you know my regular timings on YouTube, that is 5:30, so do not miss out at 5:30. Every Monday to Saturday I come on this platform, so guys, you have to be regular. Moreover, my special class timings are at 7 p.m. Wednesday to Sunday. I'll be obviously telling you my next session will be that on the special. Moreover, guys, after using the code of this amazing AJ Live code, you can join two batches on plus 21 and 22. The two batches are running. First is this one. I'm going to, obviously my differential calculus has been completed. Now I'm going to start integral calculus, guys. Will be the crash course which will be running very soon on this platform, and amazing faculties like Rohit sir, Rahul sir, sir are also teaching. And there's one detailed batch which is going on for 11th. This is for targeting 2022. So all of you guys can definitely come on to this podium, and guys, you can obviously join over here, and here you will be getting the amazing experience. Okay, this is a detailed batch, guys. Everyone can join this without a hustle. Fine. So definitely, guys, you can do go ahead with this. Okay. So guys, let's before going forward, let you know that this is lecture number 5, and this is very important topic, composition of functions. This is obviously the basic foundation of inverse. So if you understood the composition of the functions well, then definitely you can understand nothing but your inverse of the function. Chalo. So guys, what is composition of function? Let's discuss. So guys, obviously if f is going from a to b, b goes from a to c, then the function guf will go from a to c, okay? And defined as gu of x, also is called as g of f of x, for all x belonging to a is called as the composition of function f and g. Hi Shivani, good evening. So guys, let's look into this concept with the help of mapping. That will be really helpful for us. Let's see guys. Let's suppose I have a set A here right now. Okay, this is a set A. And then we have, let's suppose, a set B. We have, let's suppose, a set C. And then we have, let's set D. Let's take this also, right? Okay, so let's take these four sets, guys. And let's suppose from A to B, there's the function is going on called F. Then from B to C, we have, let's suppose, G. And then here we have, let's suppose, some kind of H function. Okay, so guys, let's suppose if we have X in this particular set A. So now guys, if f function is applied on that function, what would you get? You will get something like f of x, right? And then guys, if you apply a function g over it, let's suppose you've applied a function g, and this is the input. Now this will be the input. So if you're applying the function g on it, so what will happen? You will get definitely g of f of x, right? You'll be getting what? G of f of x. Moreover, guys, if you apply a function, let's suppose h over this, so what we will be getting? You apply a function h, so you will be getting h of g of f of x, right everyone? Understood. So this is what we've got. So this is the functions, guys. One by one we have applied the composition, and as you can understand here, if you apply f on this x, you'll be getting f of x. So you're applying g over this function f of x, so you'll be getting g of f of x, and then correspondingly you'll be getting h of g of f of x also. So guys, what we can say here is this g of x is going from where to where? It is going from this function, right? So you can say that this function here, hello nothing peas, okay? So here a to c we have a function called gof. Are you getting it? So guys, we can say that as our f is going from a to b, okay, your g is going from where? B to c. So your gof is actually going from where? That is going from a to c. Understood? So its input is obviously coming from where? The set a. Obviously finally you're getting an output of gof. Clear everyone? But don't forget that g is the connect, this set b is the connecting factor over here. Simply a to d will be your nothing but your a to d. So what is that function called, guys? That will be nothing but your h of g of h of x, right? If somebody says what is h o g o f, that is going from where a to d, right? Great. Now guys, also what you can understand is, let's suppose if this is an element over here is, let's suppose some y. Now you can go reverse also. What will happen? On this, let's suppose h function is applied. So you will get what? You will get h of y. Now guys, if you apply again on this g, so you will get what? You'll be getting g of h of y. Are you getting it? And then finally, if you apply f over it, you'll be getting f of g of h of y. Are you getting it? So guys, reverse also is possible. So this will be your h, will be your, here you will be applying g and then you will be applying f correspondingly. It will depend on situation to situation how you are applying actually. So guys, very simple method. We have actually understood this composition of function. It will all depend on the input and output basis. But guys, this composition to be valid, you have to understand one thing very important. What is that one thing is? Let's suppose guys, we want for g o f of x to be defined. Let's suppose if we want to define this g of f of x. So what's the must criteria? What's the must criteria? The must criteria must be, see here. Let's suppose guys, there is obviously f of x is the input of what? G of f, right? Can I say that f of x is input of g of f function? Obviously. And then g of f, what is it? This is the input function. Now guys, the thing is, the f of x should come up with the probability that the f of x output should be such that that g takes it, right? Because here g is taking that input, right? So it's not like that f of x is coming as some very random value which g cannot take, isn't it? So what we should say is that guys, we should say that the range of f of x, range of f should be a subset of domain of g, domain of, hello, because guys, for GOF to be defined, Abhinav just ask me in the end, I'll tell you that, okay, mod of 1 upon 1 minus 1 by x, right? Just ask me in the end, I'll just definitely clarify your doubt. So guys, let's suppose g of f of x to be defined, okay? So guys, this is nothing but the domain, right? So this is coming as the input, you know? This whole thing is the input. So this should fit in, right? It's like fish. So guys, the fish is taking the input, right? So the obviously f output should be taken by g, right? So the range of f of x should be the subset of domain of g. Then only they can be composed. Understood, guys? This should be obviously taking the values of that. Understood? So that's why its range should be what? Subset of domain of g. G should be able to take these values. Okay, great. So that's the reason why guys, we will obviously say that this condition is very important for GOF to be defined. Similarly guys, let's suppose if you have to define, so I'll just give you an example. For example, f of g of x to be defined, what should be the criteria for f of g of x to be defined? What should be the criteria? The criteria should be what? The range of g, the range of g should be a subset of domain of f, and then only we can get it, domain of f, then only there will be composition will be possible. Clear? Okay guys, now let's move ahead with some important concepts. So properties of composition functions. So guys, let's look into the first and 4 points very quickly. We'll understand everything in detail. See guys, so first point is this one: f is going from a to b, g is going from b to c, are 1 1, then GOF is also 1 1. So guys, that's a very easy proof of this. So guys, if f and g are 1 1, so g of f will also be 1 1. How? Let's see. See guys, A part I'm proving. So obviously guys, let's suppose for proving it, I'll take GOF of x1 equal to GOF of x2. Okay. So guys, obviously if I bring in x1 equals to x2, that means it's 1 1, है ना? So using this, if I get it, I'll get that 1 1. That's how we prove it. So guys, can I write it as GOF of x1 equals to G of f of x2? Yes. And the same thing, guys. Now we also know that, guys, we can write here implies f of x1 equals to f of x2, isn't it? As we can say that as g is 1 1, as a g of x is 1 1. So if this is equal to this, so obviously x1 equals to this, is this input equals to this input, right? Similarly, guys, we can write here lastly implies x1 equals to x2, right? We can write it down this one as well. We can write x1 equals to x2. Why we can write x1 equals to x2? Because f is 1 1, right? So as f is 1 1, so this will be there. So guys, from here we got this case implies we proved that GOF is also 1 1. Clear? As G of we took is equal to this one, so implies we got this also as 1 1. Clear? Okay, now guys, next point. Now we have to prove this is an onto function. So guys, A and B are obviously f and g are onto. So this is, guys, just by conceptual clarity we can do this one. Let's see, guys. Let's suppose if this is onto. So let's suppose we have a set A, then we have a set B. Let's say, suppose we have a set C. Okay, from here to here we are going F. Then from here to here we are going with G. Right? So guys, what else we have to prove here is that this GOF is also an onto function. Now guys, let's suppose if f is onto, so every, like suppose if f is onto, guys, what we can say is that every value over here in this set will have an input, isn't it? Let's suppose any value belonging to this set will have an input in this set, right? Let's suppose this is b1, b2, b3 and so on. This will have an input in this set, right? Will have an input a1, a2, a3, right? a1, a2, a3. Similarly, guys, as g is obviously having g is onto as well, so we can have like this one, c1, c2, c3. This will also have an input in this set. This will also have an input in this set, right? So obviously, guys, what we can say is that every c will be having what, of b in this set, right? And every b will having in this set. So automatically, guys, what we can say, automatically we can say that obviously we can say that f GOF is also onto. Onto means what? What do you mean by onto? Every element in the second set is mapped. है ना? So if every element in this is mapped and every element in this is mapped, so guys, automatically this will have a connector. This will also have a connector. So ultimately we'll have GOF as onto. I think so. It's very conceptual. You can understand very basic. Clear? Onto means that range is equal to codomain. There is no element left out over here. Okay, fine. Okay, great. Hello guys, now let's look into the next point. Now we are going to the next point. Next point is, this is also very interesting, that if GOF is 1 1, then F is 1 1. So not about, they have not told about G. What they are saying is if F, let's suppose guys, they are saying GOF is 1 1, so F is 1 1. So guys, I'll just give you a very good example of that. You will understand very easily. Let's suppose guys, my A, suppose F is going from here to here. 1 B, and this is also going like 1 2 3. Okay, this is my function f. Okay, is going from A to B, and we have a set. Let's suppose we are going from B to, We have 1 2 3. Okay, and let's suppose we have here, let's suppose we have 4 5 also as elements. Okay, we have, let's suppose, so here let's suppose the mapping is such that like this: 1 is mapped with 1, 2 is mapped with 2, 3 is mapped with 3. Okay, 4 and 5 is left. Similarly here we have, let's suppose, 1 2 3 5. Okay, so here in this we have 1 2 3. Okay, and let's suppose both 4 and 5 are mapped with 4 only. Okay, and guys, now we have, let's suppose, DOF composition. So guys, what's happening here? Let's see. We'll have 1 2 3. Okay, A, and then we have here 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now guys, this is the mapping, right? 1 2 3, and then again 1 2 3, right? So obviously we can see here that we are not considered about this thing. So we can see here, guys, F is 1 1, and your G need not be 1 1, isn't it? This is F, this is G, right? GOF is 1 1, isn't it, guys? Every input is having a unique output. Hi Santhil, are you getting my point, everyone? GOF is 1 1, so this is here GOF. So this F is 1 1. This GOF is 1 1. Hi Senthil. GOF is 1 1. But is your G 1 1? No, G is not 1 1. Are you getting my point, everyone? So that is possible. So what, that's the condition, guys. Here, if GOF is 1 1, so F is 1 1, not necessarily that thing. Sir, can we get 50% of concept based on previous years? Yes, yes, yes. Obviously, if you've solved previous years based in advance, 50% of the questions are in your bag for sure. Okay, guys, amazing concept, isn't it? Now let's look into one more, guys. One more concept, very, very important. Before going forward, I would like to share with you guys. 1 second. Okay. Okay. So, guys, what is that? Let's see. So, guys, the last point is, if GOF is onto, G is onto, not necessarily F. So, guys, onto, everyone knows that everyone should be mapped, right? So, guys, let's take that example only. Let's suppose if we are going to be, and we have, let's suppose, A, this is B, this is C, and from here to here we are going ahead. This is F, this is G. Okay. Now, guys, let's suppose we have here C1, C, okay, and let's suppose here we have B1, B2, 4 we have, right? And let's suppose here we have, let's suppose A1, A2, A3. Now, guys, the mapping is such. Let's suppose C1 is mapped with B1, C2, B3, and this is mapped with this. Are you getting my point? So, guys, what we can say is, this is the mapping, right? This is the mapping. This is the mapping. Now, can I say that, guys, G is onto? Yes, G is onto. We can say also, guys, GOF is also onto. And GOF is also onto. And was onto, right? First, obviously, this was onto. We have obviously taken this is onto. UF is onto. So, guys, G is onto, but not necessarily F. F is not onto because here B4 is missing. F is not onto. So we can have this kind of case. Are you getting my point? So we can obviously use the examples in order to prove these questions, these concepts. And guys, this will be really, really clarifying and it will be very, very important for you guys. That's what we've proved, guys, this D point, that obviously G, your, obviously your, this one G is onto, F not need not be onto. Okay, guys. So now let's move ahead with the questions, guys. This will obviously be very important. A few things which we discussed is very, very important here. So let's see how many of you can do these questions. So this is the condition, guys. G is defined as this: X is rational, 0 1. X is rational, minus 1, x is rational, x is rational, 0. F of g of pi plus g of f of e. Come on, guys, try it out quickly. This is a very good question, guys. Let's see. These kind of questions every year, guys, composition of functions you will be getting in your JEE. Sure. Keshri Lal is saying B. Let's see others. What are you getting, guys? Come on. Come on, everyone. Quick, quick, quick. Check it once. Keshri Lal, check it. Check your answer once. See, guys, f o g of pi plus g of f of e. So, can I say, guys, f o g of pi means g of pi, right? G of pi plus g o f of e. है ना? So that means, okay, like this. So what is g of pi? Okay, sorry, sorry, guys. This is a function g here. That's pi. This was f of x, and this is that's the error. Now tell me, guys. This is g of x. Sorry for that inconvenience. This is g of x. So guys, this is the function g of x. So here, what we will see here, g of pi. So guys, when you put here pi will be rational or irrational? Pi will be rational or irrational? Tell me, guys. Is pi rational or irrational? Pi is obviously irrational, isn't it, guys? Pi and e are both what? Are irrational. And a non-repeating, non-terminating kind of numbers. And a 3 pi is irrational, e is also irrational. E means 2.717 and so on. Pi means 3.414 and so on. Right? So this is irrational. So guys, we will get 0 as the output, isn't it, in the function g? So we'll get f of 0 plus g of, what is f of e? So guys, irrational, है ना? So here e, when you put input e, this will be going in the irrational part, right? Because e is also irrational. So what we'll get, guys? We'll get g of 1, isn't it? We'll get what? G of 1. So what is f of 0 now? So now it's rational. And 0 is rational, so its input is rational. When x is rational, so the output will be 0. This part will be 0. Very interesting. Then plus g of 1. So guys, when x is rational, you get what? Minus 1 as the output. When input is rational, you will be getting what? Minus 1. So minus 1, that's why. So we'll get 0 plus minus 1, which is nothing but minus 1. Understood? Happy ready? Shivani, guys, are you getting it? Easy? Great. That's the answer, guys. We'll be getting here 0 plus minus 1, that is minus 1 as the. Okay, great. Now, guys, let's move ahead. This. Now, this is a good one. This is a very famous question, has been asked many a times in the past, in JEE, in boards, in a lot of exams. This is a very favorite question of the examiner. Definitely, from composition of the functions, you will be getting this kind of question many a times in JEE. Very good, very good. Come on, guys. Next one. This is the one which you have to try. A minus x power n whole power 1 by n. Then f of x. So composition of f with itself. In place of x, you have to keep here f of x. So guys, 7 p.m. there's a revision session. Okay, please come at 7 p.m. just after this class on YouTube only. Will be revision on quadratic equation. Keshrilal, check your answer once. So guys, we want f of x. Here we'll have nothing but a minus f of x power n whole to the power 1 by n. Okay. So guys, what is it coming out to be? Let's see. So please be careful. है ना? A minus f of x. F of x is this whole thing, right? I'm keeping that whole thing there. F of x. What are we getting? Minus x to the power n, a whole power n. This is what I kept here, f of x. Now this n will come. Understood? This n will come now. So guys, whole power this n, and then guys, finally we'll be using whole power 1 by n. Got it? Okay. So guys, what we are seeing here is this n and n will cancel surely. This n and this n will cancel. And then guys, what are we getting here? This, when you open it up, you're getting a minus a plus x power n whole power 1 by n. Isn't it? Understood guys? Remember this whole thing. This, in place of f of x, we will keep this a minus a x power n upon n. And then this n is this one, and then this 1 by n. So a will cancel and we'll be left with what? X power n whole power 1 by n. Again n cancels. We are getting x. That's it. Very famous question. Okay guys. So the answer is x. Okay, so f of x has come out to be x. Okay, don't worry guys, we'll be discussing the all the concepts of inverse very soon, and there you'll be getting to know this is an identity function, so you'll be getting a lot of idea about it. Chalo, next. Great. Now this is also one good question. This is obviously here we have uh, x upon 1 plus x square and root. And we have first option is actually x, just x upon under root 1 plus dx square. Then option B is x upon 1 under root 1 minus x square. Then we have 2x upon x root of 1 plus x. So guys, we have to find the composition of this function two times, f of x. Okay, so very good question. How we can do it? So guys, come on everyone, try it out. Understood, Keshri Lal, your mistake? Okay. So guys, this is a very important topic which we are discussing, because this will be foundation of your JEE. And obviously guys, obviously inverse plays a really key role in your preparation, that because next chapter is inverse trigonometry. So then guys, it will be really tough for you to understand that everything is connected now. So composition, after that we'll be discussing inverse. After inverse we'll be discussing inverse trigonometric functions chapter. So that will be playing a really important role in the preparation. Stay tuned, do not go anywhere, be regular. That's what I'm saying. So guys, let's see how we can get it. So we have been given f of x, that is x upon under root 1 plus x square. Okay, and we have been asked f of x, right? Okay, this is what we have been asked. So what I'm doing is I'm actually calculating f of x first. So let's calculate f of x first. Okay, let's get this one. So what will be that? In this you will be putting x in place of x, you will be putting f of x, right? So you will be getting what? F of x divided by root under 1 plus f of x whole square, isn't it? So guys, if I put it over here, what is this now? F of x, just put that in this function. You'll be getting what? X upon root under 1 whole divided by under 1 plus under root of this whole square, right? I'll be getting x square divided by 1 plus x square, right? The whole square will happen. Fine. So now what am I getting? I am getting, if you look at this equation, you're getting f of x as x upon root of 1 divided by, take the LCM, you will be getting what? 1 plus x square we'll be getting root of 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square, isn't it? And as you can see here, this root and this root will cancel out. We'll be getting what? X upon under root 1 plus 2x square, right? So guys, just by looking at this equation, we can very well guess that obviously our option, uh, we've got for just f of fx, we've got this 2 over here. So guys, for 3 we'll be getting definitely 3x square, right? That is the estimation which we are making, but obviously I'll solve it in detail. Okay, so obviously it should be option A because we have to do one more time, right? So guys, what we need is, now we need f of x. We need f of x, right? So in f of x we have to put this function, right? Place of x. In this function only, you have to put input as this, right? In place of x you have to keep this whole thing, right? So what will be that? Tell me. In this whole function, in place of x you have to keep that. The answer will be what? It will be nothing but, I'll just do it in a simple manner so that you guys don't have any mistake in that. It will be like this: f of x plus 1 upon f of x whole square. Understood? This is what we have to calculate. Right? In place of x I kept this f of x because that's the input. Great. And we also know this value. What is that? X upon under root 1 plus 2x square and divided by under root of 1 plus this whole thing's square. So what are we getting? X square upon 1 plus 2x square. Now guys, as I take the LCM, right? As I take the LCM, what I'm getting, I'll be getting this thing as x upon under root 1 plus 2x square divided by, I'll be taking this one will go there, 1 plus 2x square plus x square, 1 plus 3x square, root under 1 plus 3x square divided by 1 plus 2x square. 1 plus 2x square, 1 plus 2x square, root gone. We are getting guys x upon under root of 1 plus 3, the answer. Easy. Great. So guys, this is how we have actually done. Papi Reddy, Shivani, are you understanding? Shivani, are you there? That is what we have got. We've got option A, that is x upon under root 1 plus 3x square. Great. This is how we can do these kind of questions, guys. Very interesting, important at the same. Now this is a good one. Now let's see how many of you can do this one. You have to first of all guess function. Here we have been given f, g are two functions, x minus 1 by x. And then we, yes, very good, Kesharilal. X cube minus 1 by x cube, then this is, and what is the f of x they are asking? Is x cube plus 3x. Second option is x square minus 1 by x square. Option is 1 plus 1 by x square, and fourth option is 3x square plus 3 by. Check it once, Keshlal. Don't be that in that hurry, guys. This is a very good one. We can definitely. My hint would be, guys, to get the whole function in terms of x minus 1 by x. To get the whole function in terms of x minus 1 by x, then your job will be done. Are you getting it? So that we will be getting this in terms of x minus 1 by x, so that we can get that g of x, and then we'll replace it by that. You getting my point? So what I'm saying is, this is, guys, f of g of x. I'm just trying to write a cube minus b cube. I hope everyone knows formula a cube minus b cube. It is what? A minus b, a square plus, right? This everyone knows. So let's use this formula over here. If I apply a cube minus b cube, I'll get x minus 1 by x. A square plus b square plus ab. Ab will be what? X into 1 by x. That will be what? 1. Correct? Okay. Now I want to write this also in terms of a 1 by x. What I'm getting is I'm writing it as x minus 1 by x here. Here I'm writing it as x minus 1 by x whole square. So guys, plus 2 I have to write now because a square plus b square minus 2ab. So minus 2 will be extra. So to compensate that, I should write plus 2 and plus 1 also, this one. So this will be looking great, isn't it, everyone? So that's what I did right now, so that you guys understand easily. Great. Now guys, when you open it up, what am I getting? I'm getting f of g of x is nothing but, if I open it up, x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 times of x minus 1. Great. Now guys, this g of x is this thing. Are you getting my point? So what I got is, see guys, it's a wonderful question actually. So what did I get as my f of g of x is x minus 1 by x. This I got as minus 1 by x plus 3 times of x minus 1. Okay. So guys, if you put, let's suppose, x minus 1 by x as some t. Let's suppose you substitute this as some, okay. You have substituted this thing as some t. So what we'll get? We'll get f of t is nothing but t cube plus 3t. Now you will replace t by x also. Now you can do that. So what are we getting? F of x as x cube plus 3x. So simple. Understood? So first I wrote this as g of x. Then that's the reason why I wanted to get here x minus 1 by x kind of thing. That I can easily estimate the function. So guys, I got my f of x as x cube plus 4. Great. I hope everyone understood this concept. Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Guys, this kind of questions you are getting nowadays in JEE a lot. Come on, everyone. Next, f of x is given, and f of x is given as ax plus b, and your g of x is given as cx plus d. A not equal to 0, c not equal to 0. We have been given the values of a and b. They have given us f of x is equals to g of x. Then what can you say about c and d? Come on. Why do you want that, Rudy? Hello guys, so a and b are given in this question. They are asking us simply this equation. Asked us u of x, and we have to fetch this value. Great. So Vivek has, I think so, got the answer. Great. So g of f of x and f of g of x are same. So let's see guys, what will be f of g of x? So in place of x, we have to keep here g of x, right? I'm writing a in place of x will be having cx plus d plus b. And what about g of f of x? Tell me what? C times of ax plus b plus d, right? Now guys, when you open these things, both are equal, right? So if you open it up, yes, we will be getting ACX plus AD equals to uh, ACX. What are we getting here? Also, we are getting ACX plus D, right? Okay. Now guys, what we can see here is obviously our ACX will cancel down, and as your A and B values have been given to us, we have been given the values of A and B, right? So ACX, let's cancel it for a while. So A is what? 1, and let's put the values of A and B. What we'll get? We'll get D plus 2 equals to 2C plus D, right? So guys, can I say that D will cancel out no matter what the value of D is? And from there we'll be getting 2C equals to 2. 2 cancel, we are getting C as 1. So C is coming as 1 and D can be anything because D is automatically cancelling out. So D तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. D can be anything, right? Yes. So D is arbitrary. Arbitrary means anything it can be. Arbitrary but a constant, right? That's the correct answer. Such an easy question, guys. Just we have to put in the values and you can get the answer. Right. One is the easy one. So we have been given f of x is equals to sine square x and the composite function g of f of x is mod of sine x. Then the function g of x is what? Which function has been applied on? We get mod of sine x. Come on. F of x is sine square x. Opposite function g of f of x is mod sine x. Function g of x they are asking. So guys, I have told you time and again, under root of x square is mod x. Hope you guys know it. I have told you time and again, root of x square is not x nor minus x. It's mod x. It can never be negative. So guys, which function shall we apply on this? Obviously guys, root x. If you take g of x as root x and your f of x is sine square x, so then only guys, you apply g of f of x. If you put it here, g of f of x will be, but in place of x you will keep this sine square x. Under root of sine square x will be nothing but mod of sine. Not only sine x, it is mod of sine x. That's function definition. Root of x square is mod x, guys. Please take a note of it. I've told that time and again. If you're my regular student, I've told this concept. This will be g of f of f will be nothing mod of sine x. Easy. Great. Okay, next. Yes, this one is slightly tricky. F is going from R to R, G is going from R to R. Of x is Q of x is box x. Then x belongs to R, G of f x is less than or equal to this. For what x? So for what values of x would this condition hold true? Could you check your answer once? Come on. This is a very good question. You have to think, first of all, get the function ready. Then you have to think about the logic. So guys, this is greatest integer function. This is modulus function. Vivek, check your answer once. No, no, check your answer once. Again. So guys, we can do option checking very easily in this. So f of x, g of f of x. What can I say? Box of, in place of x, you have to put f of x. Can I say mod x? Right. And then we have to check when this is less than or equal to mod of box x, right? Of g of x will be what? Mod of box x. Hello, Papi, ready? Okay, fine, fine, sure. So guys, let's see when we can check this. So guys, I'm first of all, let's check by options one by one. Let's see options Z is correct or not. Let's put any integer. You can check now. You can do trial and error. Let's put any integer first. Let's put x is equals to some integer. Let's put it as -5. Is it satisfying? Obviously it would, है ना? Box of integer के लिए तो दोनों same ही आएंगे, right? Because mod of box x and box of mod x will be actually same. Yes. So guys, when you take a look at this one, so obviously guys, box of mod of -5 will be what? 5. Will be definitely same as what? Box of minus mod of -5, which will both will be 5, right? Obviously integer pe both will be same, no doubt about it. There will be equality which will be holding in this case. Okay. Now guys, let's suppose my number is negative. So what will happen? Let's take a general number. X is equals to -2.3. Negative number I have taken. Okay, I have taken negative number and then I have trying to check whether both are correct or not. Mod of box x and box of mod x. Okay, Vivek has now come up with a question. Good one. So guys, that's what, with the help of checking you can do easily. So guys, what will be there? Tell me. Box of mod of -2.3. Okay, and one is what? Mod of box of -2.3. Right? How much it is coming out, you guys? Can I say it is box of 2.3? And what is this, guys? Box of mod of 2.3 box will be -3, isn't it, everyone? Yes, that will be what? -3. So guys, what is this? Can I say this will be what? 2.3 ka box is what? 2, which will be less than what? 3, which is correct. This is satisfying. This is satisfying. Hi, share chat. I've heard a lot about you. How are you? Okay, my friend has started working in this company. Okay, okay. What about guys? Let's check some positive number. Let's take a random number like 3 point. Is it satisfying? See, box of will happen. I guess this time it will be what? Mod of 3.4. Here it will be what? Mod of box of 3.4. Okay. So what is this? It will be what? 3, and here also it will be what? Box of 3.43 only. I think the both will be equal in this scenario, right? Yes. So what we understood is for real number and 0 it will be equal to, right? For real number and sorry, for 0 and positive numbers it will be equal to, and for negative numbers it will be less than. So in comparatively, what we can say is that both will be what? This hold inequality will definitely hold, right? Isn't it? Yes. So that's the correct statement for all real numbers, to be precise. For integers, real numbers, negative numbers, positive numbers, it will be holding true, right? Great. Yes. So guys, for all positive numbers, for x greater than 0, we'll understand, we know that box of mod x will be equal to mod of box x, right? Great, great. Understood, guys? Great. Chalo, next. This one is also a very good question, guys. Let's see how many of you can do this. So we have been given, this is g of x 3 plus 4x. If g and x, this is g of x thing, then what is the value of a and b? Come on. Everyone watching, guys, please hit a like. That will be amazing. We'll be obviously, our team is working day in, day out for you guys. So encourage our team by liking the video, sharing it with your friends. Probability of at least one. Road, at least one what? Very good, Vivek. So, guys, I guess we can do it for two things, right? Why to go for n? Let's take some g of x only, right? That will be what you got g2x. Yeah, that's correct. So we can calculate that. What are we getting? 3 plus 4 times of 3 plus 4x. So can I say I'll be getting what? 12, 16 and plus 12x. Yes. So what are we getting, guys? Comparing, we are getting what? Hmm. So what we are getting the values of a and b. Come on, guys, tell me quickly. 3 plus 3 plus 4x, right? That's what I did. Ah. Now this, if you look into it, it is something like a plus bx. Comparing what we are getting. Acha, are we getting something different? 12 plus 3, 15 aa raha hai na? Sorry, mistake. 15 plus 16x, yeah. Hmm. So this is coming as what? A plus bx. A is coming as 15 and b is coming as 16. Which option is matching, guys? If you put as 2, you put 2, this won't match. Also won't match. This also won't match. Obviously, this is matching, right? 4 power n minus 1 will be what? 4 square minus 1, 15, which is coming correct. Similarly, if you look at 4 to the power n, that will be what? 4 square, that is 16, which is coming correct. Just by solving for two cases, you can get the answer. Okay, it's an easy one. So next, let's look into one more problem, then we'll leave. Let's see, guys, how many of you can get this. So in the next class, guys, we'll be obviously discussing inverse of a function. Please come on there. Don't miss out any lecture. And then, guys, we'll be moving ahead with advanced level problems also on this chapter. Okay, so stay tuned for all of that. Thing will be done in this platform, Academy JEE English. Sine square x plus sine square x plus pi by 3 plus x cos of x pi by 3. on. Come on, guys. Everyone watching, please hit a like. That is will be very encouraging for our team. That. No? Okay. So, guys, it's a very easy question only. Sine square x plus sine square x plus pi by 3. Can I say that f of x is sine square x sine of x plus pi by 3? Sine of x plus pi by 3 will be what? Sine x cos pi by 3 plus cos x pi by 3 whole square, right? Okay, okay, try, you'll get it. Thus, this is what cos x plus pi by 3. Cos x plus pi by 3 is what? Cos x cos pi by 3 minus sin x sin pi by 3, right? I hope everyone knows the formulas. Cos or sine of a plus b is what? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, right? Okay. So what is it coming out to be? Sin square x plus what is it? Sin x cos pi by 3. Cos 60 is how much? What is cos 60? Cos 60 is half. That is sin x by 2 plus cos x root 3 by 2 whole square plus this value. If I open it up, very good, Vivek. So it will be what? Cos square x into cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is what? Cos 60 is half. That is coming as cos square x by 2 and minus cos x sin x into sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now guys, let's open this a plus b the whole square. You will get the thing there. So what is my f of x coming out to be? That is coming as sine square x plus that I am opening that a plus b the whole square. If I open that a plus b the whole square, what I'm getting? I'm getting sine square x by 4 plus 3 cos square x by 4, right? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2ab will be what? 2 sine x by 2 cos x root 3 by 2. Okay. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now plus denominator में कितना? How much? This one cos square x by 2. Cos square x by 2 plus what is it? Sin x cos x root 3 by 2, right? Minus sin x cos x root 3 by 2. Minus sin x cos x root 3 by 2. Hi Dheeraj, good evening. So we can see here guys, this part and this part will cancel it out. And what we are getting is sin x cos x root 3 by 2, sin x cos x root 3 by 2 will cancel out. We will be getting 5 by 4 plus here also this will be 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. That will be what? You can say 2 by 4 again 5 by 4 cos square x, which is coming as what guys? 5 by 4 into 1. F of x is 5 by 4. So guys, what we will be getting is G of 5 by 4 is 1. So that is nothing but what we got. G of f of x they have asked. F of x value is 5 by 4. So what is that? G of 5 by 4 only is the coming out, which is nothing but 1, which is given. So that's the answer, 1. Easy. Right. So that was the trick in this question. Actually, we have got the answer only as 5 by 4. So we'll put it there and you'll be getting 1 because that was given already. Okay. Hello guys. So that is what we have. Everyone, please take note of this homework. Try this one out. And obviously, I'll be discussing the answer in the comment section. Please comment on this video and you will be getting, I'll be handling your doubts. Comment on the video and any doubt I'll be definitely doing. Yes, Hoodie, my father is in Indian Air Force. Okay, guys, how do you get to know? Okay, chalo, great. So, guys, definitely that is all for today, and thanks a lot for joining this amazing session. Please do install the app; that will be very amazing. And obviously, you can go to the ITJ section that plus on get subscription. As soon as you do that, you can use the code AJ Live. As soon as you put up the code AJ Live, you're getting these massive discounts. Hello, hello, Saniki. Okay, and that will be 38.5, and the price will become 34.6 and 50.4 respectively. Yes, yes. 7 p.m. here only. Today 7 p.m. This will be on YouTube session. The revision series is on YouTube. Okay. एक साल में सब करते हैं 12th जब हुआ होता है 17 years I think. AJ Live is the code, guys. Please use this code and proceed using EMI option. Be very beneficial for all of you. Okay, guys. Abhinav SC is the code. I don't think so, Sunny. Just look into your connection. I think so. It's absolutely fine from my end and others. And guys, please do not forget about this Unacademy's comeback. Please download the latest version of the app for obviously attending these quizzes where you can win a lot of rewards and prizes. Please download latest version. That is very important. And guys, AJ Live is the code which you can use to enroll on this particular thing. Okay. Also, guys, revision series is obviously coming up, and today I'm going to start this on YouTube. This is obviously on YouTube. Today I'm going to start with quadratic equation. That will be done at 7 p.m. in 20 start. Okay, my birthday 3rd of June. Also, guys, 5:30 p.m. is the class timings on YouTube. Please be regular. Do not miss out on any lecture. 7 p.m. is my general timing on the special classes. That will be obviously coming up next week. And obviously, guys, AJ Live is the code. AJ Live is the code for subscription. As soon as we're getting these massive discounts, and guys, obviously, integral calculus will be next on this crash course. You can definitely go with it. Okay. So definitely you can take the plus course and you can come up over here on this platform. It will be very, very beneficial. Moreover, guys, definitely you can use graphs. Join this session also, graph sets, relations and functions. Guys, here this is a detailed course with plus subscription, guys, for target 2022. Please come over here. This will be a detailed batch going on, and amazing faculties like Rahul sir and Rohit sir are also teaching. So please come over there, and guys, do not forget to use the code AJ Live for subscription. Also, guys, do not go without liking this video. It will be very beneficial and very, very encouraging for my team for working hard day in day out for you. So please, guys, definitely like the video and share it with your friends, and do not forget AJ Live is the code for plus. Do not forget AJ Live is I'm on plus. You guys are going to join me. And thanks a lot. Take care and see you very, very